Hello students. So the question is, you have to find the polar form of I to the power 25 to the power 3. So the complex number given is z is equals to I to the power 25 to the whole power 3. Now we will simplify this. This will become I to the power, we can write this as 4 into 6 plus 1. 6 4 is 24 plus 1, it is 25 to the whole power 3. Now we can write it as I to the power 4 to whole power 6 into I and its whole power 3. Now this will become okay. Now we know that I is equals to under root minus 1 and I square is equals to minus 1. Therefore I cube is equals to minus I and I to the power 4 is equals to 1. So we will use these 4 over here. So this will become I to the power 4 is what? 1 and 1 to the power 6 is 1 into I to the power 3. So this will become I cube. So we get z is equals to I cube and I cube is what? It is minus I. Now we have to find the polar of z equals to minus I, polar form. So polar form is in the form z is equals to r into cos theta plus iota sin theta, where r is what? R is the magnitude of complex number z and theta is what? Theta is the argument of z. Now first we will find the mod of z. Mod of z is equals to what? It is under root a square plus b square. Here a square is what? 0 and b is what? B is minus 1. So minus 1 whole square. Therefore mod z is what? It is equals to 1. Now for finding the argument, we know that tan theta is argument, tan theta is what? It is the imaginary part of z upon real part of z. So in this form the imaginary part is what? It is minus 1 and real part is 0. So tan theta will become infinite. Tan theta is infinite when theta is what? Theta is equals to pi by 2. So we have theta is equals to pi by 2. Now as we can see that z lies in the fourth quadrant. Why? Because z is 0 plus minus iota I. Okay, z is what? Z is in the form of a minus iota b, where a is 0 and b is equals to, this is z equals to a plus iota b and we have b is equals to minus 1. So this implies fourth quadrant. So in fourth quadrant, if z is in fourth quadrant, the argument of z will be is equals to, this will be minus of pi by 2. So argument of z will be minus of pi by 2. Now writing the z in polar form, z is r of cos theta plus iota sin theta, where r is the magnitude and we have found that r is the magnitude is what? Magnitude is 1 and the argument is what? Argument is minus of pi by 2. So we will put here r is 1 cos of minus pi by 2 plus I sin minus pi by 2. Cos minus pi by 2 is what? it is equals to cos pi by 2 plus I sine of minus pi by 2 is what? It is minus of sine pi by 2. So here minus sign will come, minus I sine pi by 2. So the polar form is, in the polar form, z is equals to cos of pi by 2 minus I sine of pi by 2. We have our answer. Now let us check the solution. Let us check the options. Option is D option, C, cos pi by 2 minus I sine pi by 2. Thank you.